Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are playing a fun game of this or that with Xhosa names that mean gift. Let's begin. If you are searching for short and sweet names, then you will love these two adorable names. We have Sesam and Esam. Sesam Isipho, Esam Isipho. The next names are classic girl names. We have Zizipho and Ziphozethu. Which one are you drawn to? Zizipho or Ziphozethu? If you are searching for names that will never lose their popularity, then you should consider our following names. We have Siphosethu and Esethu. Siphosethu and Esethu. Next up, we have Nandipha and Nasipha. Nandipha and Nasipha. These two names are vintage but also have a modern appeal. Which one is your favorite? Our next names are Aphiwe and Liphiwe. Aphiwe is a unisex name that was traditionally considered a boy's name, but in recent years it is used for girls as well. Which one do you like the most? Aphiwe or Liphiwe? Last but not least, we have Indiphile and Uphemna. These two are perfect if you are searching for unique and modern names. Indiphile and Uphemna. Did you like the names that we shared today? Comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching.